Moto Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, Ajinomoto, Toyota. Moto ko'y Trikiti, Kagoy, Koyoto, Komokit, ako'y probinsyanong Rokha, ang dumayo ng Maynila. Pilipinas, a great history, according to our geography. On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. Conquera, Tiri Conquera, Ochike, sayawan sa aming baryo, orkestra'y nagkagulo-gulo. Barbero, abogado, ingenyero, maestro, supervisor, doktor, nurse, pasyente, attendance, piloto, stewardess, artista, regional director, producer, cameraman, tendera, waitress, hostess, manager, masahista, security guard, la bandera.